Good day and welcome to LPA's CA Quick Bites. Your tasty little treat today is going to be data to dashboards in 30 seconds. That is a tricky bar for me to set, right? Can I take a CSV and turn it into an immensely shareable, beautiful, colorful, visualization-laden analytical output in 30 seconds or less? Well, get your stopwatches ready and we're going to see that we can do just that. First of all, I want to show you the CSV file. It's a little bit of loyalty program information. It's basically a simple list-based CSV, an output perhaps from another system. It's got a lot of great information in it, about 26, 27 columns and a number of rows. We're going to go ahead and close that. I'm going to click that file in Windows Explorer and drag it on into my Cognos system. When I do so, we see a giant drop zone if I want to just upload it to my content, but I also have my quick launch tiles here. So do I want to make it a data module quite quickly, an exploration or dashboard? So let's get those stopwatches ready. Click on go. I'm going to drop this CSV into the dashboard quick link. It's going to go ahead and read that CSV file. It's doing analysis, natural language processing. It's taking a look at my columns and data and learning everything there is to know about that CSV. It's building some metadata and creating some containers there. Basically, a little modeler in my back pocket here as Watson takes a look at my CSV and prepares it and then opens that dashboard interface here. Of course, we can choose a template. I'm going to go with blank and we'll go ahead and choose create. And now that I've got my data source loaded, I could begin building my dashboard, but this is data to dashboard in 30 seconds. So let's open that assistant who's ready and willing to help me. Few things I can do with that assistant. First thing, I can say suggest questions. And you see we've got a little type ahead there. The assistant goes out, looks at that data source and says, here's some suggestions, some questions you might want to ask. The first one, which product line has top revenue? Excellent. Let's click that link. Asks it the question. I could have just typed that, of course, but it's nice to have Watson suggest the questions. And you see a number of visualizations, all showing me the general product line top revenue world. If I like word clouds, if I like columns, it's all there for me. I can add that directly to the page, or I can ask another question. But it wouldn't be data to dashboard in 30 seconds if I didn't ask Watson to create me a dashboard. So I'll go ahead and say create dashboard, hit enter. Watson says okie dokie, and check out what Watson has done for me. I've got a 3-tab dashboard with some very interesting visualizations covering revenue, customer lifetime value, and loyalty status. And you might say some of these visualizations I love, some of them aren't for me. Well, that's what's the great thing about the assistant is. We just spent about 30 seconds of time and we've got a number of things to take a look at. Maybe I want to choose, oh, I love this one. So go ahead and pin it over to your favorites and use it in your own dashboard in the future. With Cognos Analytics and your data, there is nothing stopping you from taking even a CSV and turning it into a corporate asset in under a minute. Thanks for joining us for today's instance of CA Quick Bites, and we hope to see you soon.